Nice to see you again, and today we'll be doing daily news. Tokyo ends smoking in most restaurants. So how do you want to do this again, Yoshi? You want to read by yourself or repeat after me? Okay. Should we start with the vocabulary first? Okay. You want to read the vocabulary too? Or you want to repeat after me? Okay. First word, paradise. A perfect place or state. I feel like I'm in paradise. Next one, pass. To officially accept a proposal or law by voting on it. To be officially accepted. A bill to allow same-sex marriage was passed by the lower house of parliament. Next one is strict. Demanding that rules are closely followed. There are strict rules in my school about being late. Next one, free. Not containing or affected by. I'm going to stop at the duty-free store. Next one, run. To be in charge of something. My parents run a small restaurant in my hometown. And last word, individual. Of for or relating to one person or thing. Our business is targeting individual consumers. Okay, very good. So, any question, Yoshi, with our vocabulary? Alright, so now let's try the article. You want to read? Go ahead, please.